All right, so now we want to talk about some division problems. So here we have two division problems that look very easy and we tend to overcomplicate. So let's go ahead and just do this one first, and let's do it separately. Now remember, the key to division is copy, dot, flip. And so we're going to go ahead and copy our first fraction, 1 over 6g squared, and then we're going to dot, change the division sign to a dot, and flip our second fraction. So we have this problem, and this g looks terrible, which is probably why I don't usually choose the letter g as a variable. That's just me. And so there I am. Now I'm going to go ahead and, for safety, put some parentheses around that minus sign so I don't do anything silly. And I'll go ahead and just multiply straight across like I'm supposed to. So I've got 12g over 6g squared, parentheses g minus 12. So that's where I am. And I know that, just looking at this, and I'm going to make it a little smaller, just looking at that these two out here have things in common. And that's good because they're the ones that are not. So if I just look at the numbers 12 and 6, I know that I can turn that into the number 2. Because 6 goes into 12 twice. And then I can look at my g's, and I know that if I had g over g squared or gg, one of them would go away, so, and it's still in the bottom, so I've got a g. And then I didn't do anything with this, g minus 12. And that's my answer, and I can distribute it or I can leave it alone. And so that's what I've got. And again, you can see that we would easily overcomplicate this and maybe do more things that we need to. But that's all we have to do. So let's go ahead and look at our second problem. We're going to, again, stick with this copy dot flip model. So we're going to copy the first fraction, dot, and then flip our second fraction. And so now I have this. And again, to be on the safe side, I'm going to put some parentheses right there. So I'm going to write it down, multiply straight across, y minus 9, y, parentheses, y minus 9, and y, 9y, excuse me. Made the same mistake everybody makes. The y's will cross off, and I will get 9 over y minus 9, and I am done. And so that's my problem. And again, these are so simple that we think, oh, can't be done. It can't be that easy. And when I say simple, I just mean there's very few steps. They're very confusing. But that we want to make them worse than they actually are. So this is our first example on division.